Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are discussing about introduction to STATA. The STATA window consists of various parts. The first part that we're going to discuss today is the pull down menu. The pull down menu consists of the File tab, Edit tab, Data tab, Graphics tab, Statistics tab, User tab, Window tab, and Help tab. When you click each one of them, you get to access the various functions that are inbuilt in STATA that are readily available for you to use in data analysis. The second part, immediately after this, is the command dialog. The command dialog keeps history of every function that has been used in STATA. Then the third part is the command typing window where we type all the commands. The third one is the result window where everything where all the results appear after analysis. Now the next part is the variable name. Under the variable name, we have all the variables that are in the dataset of the current session appearing here. So for instance, in the current session, we have region, houses, sex, race, age, etc. The last part is the variable property. For instance, when you click variable age here is the variable name, and then it's labeled as age in years, and then it's type, and then format, variable label, notes, etc. That's it. The next thing that I want us to discuss under introduction is the various types of files that we have in STATA. We have three types of files in STATA. The first type as an extension .dta. This is the file type that contains all the dataset that we need to analyze. .dta is the file extension for data sheets in Excel, in STATA. Sorry, an instance of a data sheet is this one here. When we open it and we type edit here, we get to access it as such. The next one is the do file. The do file is the file that contains all the commands for analysis. An instance, when you want to open a new do file, we use the do edit command in STATA, and then the new do file appears here. Every command is typed here, and we we highlight in order for it to run. The next one is the log file. Log file can have two extensions. The first extension is .log, and the next extension is .smcl. The smcl extension refers to as the STATA markup and control language. Now, all the inputs, all the outputs of the analysis are found in this file. Saving the log file as .sm file keeps the formatting from the result window. It is recommended to save the log as a log.file. Although saving it as a log.file removes the formatting and saves the output in plain text format, it can be opened in most text editing programs, a .scl file can only be opened in STATA. You may create a log file by typing using, of course, in the command line portion of the STATA window, you put the file using log by typing log using the file path and the file name, or else we can open a log file by going to the file tab and then clicking it, and then we click on log, we begin it, and then after you begin it, maybe we can name this one introduction. We can choose to save it as .smcl or .log. So, and then after we save it, we continue. So when you are done with working in a certain session, it is necessary to end the session by closing the log file, and we type log close to close a session. Thank you so much.